Now we will see the next word, tenia. The meaning of this word is had. Sometimes you will see tenias and tenia. All these meaning had. In the last episode, last session, we had seen has, TNA. We took some examples, we discussed. Same examples we will take here and we will use with had. Like if I have to say he had two houses. How can I say this in Spanish? Él tenía, él tenía dos casas. Casas. Let us take the second example now. If I have to say she had two houses. Here there is no change, only one word here, ella. Ella tenía dos casas. Ella tenía dos casas. Let us take third example. You had two houses. For this we can write tenías dos casas. Is very easy. Third one. Let us take the last one. They had two houses. For this we can write ellas tenían dos casas. Ellas tenían dos casas. It means all these is had and had. Here we have taken the same examples of the previous session. Only the change is only has. There was has and have. Now here only had, means tenia, tenias and tenian.